Hello, learner. I am Professor Ashwini Gowde. Today I am presenting a topic micromeritics. This topic is included in the second year B Pharm in the subject physical pharmacy. The learning objective. The learner will be able to understand various physicochemical properties of drug molecule, which is important during the design of dosage form. Then demonstration and use of this physical chemical property during the formulation development of different dosage form. Then what is micromeritics? Micromeritics is the science and technology of small particles. Application of micromeritics. Importance in pharmaceutical industry. Data and control of the particle size is very important during the formulation development. Then size and surface area, which is related to the physical and chemical properties of drug. Main important is that drug release and dissolution of different dosage form are very depend on particle size of active pharmaceutical ingredient. Lower the particle size, higher the surface area, which is important in the dissolution. Then absorption and drug action. Lower the particle size or optimum the particle size, high surface area. Ultimately high therapeutic action and the immediate action. Physical stability. In case of the suspension, emulsion, physical stability of this dosage form is very important in the particle size. Dose uniformity. Particle size or optimum particle size are very important for the dose uniformity because flow property of the granules, weight of solid dosage form is depend on the optimum particle size. Example, griseofulvin, it is an antifungal drug. Its particle size play important role in the drug release and dissolution. Second drug is aspirin, which is used to reduce the pain, fever and inflammation. Particle size play important role in its dissolution. Valsartan tablet to treat high blood pressure. Again, particle size is very important during the designing of dosage form of these all the drugs. Now different properties of powder. Individual particle. There are different properties. First is fundamental properties. Particle size, particle distribution, particle shape, particle surface area. These are the fundamental properties. Now derived property in that density of powder, flow properties of powder and porosity. We will learn the different fundamental properties of powder. Particle size. A collection of particles of different size. If there are a different size particle, then it is called as a polydispersed substance. Size of sphere is depend on the diameter particle with same size. Degree of asymmetry. It's impossible to measure the accuracy of size of particle. Particle size distribution. Particle size distribution for a material could be same. They may be sometimes different, non-identical. To what extent? Shape and surface and particle size distribution may behave differently in processing of a product. Only particle size can't help in differentiating them. So we need to estimate the size range present and number or weight fraction of each particle size, that is the PSD. Break the same size particle in one class and find out how many particles in each range. The distribution of different size particle is PSD. Histogram representing the microscopy method. This method are used to determine the particle size. Next is a frequency distribution curve. When the number or weight of particles lying within a certain range is plotted against a size range or mean particle size. Hope you understand the concept micromeritics. Thank you.